Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of eyelash extensions with a product that's been making waves. The Lashify Curl 14mm Gossamer DIY Eyelash Extensions Refill. If you're in search of the best 25mm mink lashes that are fluffy and natural looking, you've come to the right place. Let's start with why the Lashify Curl Gossamer has been gaining so much attention. These DIY eyelash extensions offer a natural look with a doe-eyed curl that's simply irresistible. Combining the lightweight flutter of the Amplify Gossamer with the curl power of the Bold Gossamer, this style opens up your eyes and gives them an extra lift. What sets the Lashify Curl Gossamer apart from the rest? Well, for starters, they're part of the patented Lashify system, so you know you're getting quality. Made from 100% premium Korean PBT silk, these lashes are cruelty-free and vegan, ensuring both style and ethics. Now, let's talk application. To get the best results, it's recommended not to handle these lashes with regular applicators or tweezers. Instead, pair them with Lashify's patented Fuse Control Wand and other patented tools and formulas for seamless application. Here's something worth noting: after application, refrain from getting the Gossamer lashes wet until the bond has had time to set. This typically takes a minimum of 12 to 24 hours, ensuring a long-lasting hold. And there you have it, folks. The Lashify Curl 14mm Gossamer DIY Eyelash Extensions Refill. The best 25mm mink lashes available for a fluffy, natural look. If you're ready to elevate your lash game, give these a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.